Hello guys, welcome to Tech-Rwanda channel, which is based in Rwanda. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python into your computer. Furthermore, you'll be using Python, for example, for data science, or you'll be using Python for developing a web application. All you need first is to install Python into your computer. So guys, you might be guessing which kind of a Python version should I install into my computer. Here I got you a suggestion. I recommend you to use Python 3.7.2, which is the best version. It's the last test release. Let's get to where we can download it. Alright, here it is a link. This link you can get it from, for example, you can type python www.python.org/downloads if you want to download, or you can type www.python.org and then hit here the link downloads. They will give you an automatically, they will suggest you, or they will recommend you to download this Python version, this one here, the one you can see here, which is Python 3.7.2. Once you want to download it, just hit the button which is the download Python 3.7.2. Once you've downloaded, come here into your download folder where you specified where your downloaded file must be stored. Here is the folder where I specified. It is into my downloads. Guys, you can see I do have a lot of downloads. I just need to search for Python. This is here. This is the file that we've been downloading from python.org, which is a website where we can find the setup for installing Python into our system. Double click on the system. Guys, sorry, I do have it installed on my computer. There is no need to install it again. Just install it. It's simple. Just follow the instruction. After following the instruction, you are done. Not yet done, guys. Let's come back on the path, setting up the path. Guys, I'd like to show you how you can set up. Okay, if you haven't set up a path, here is what you can do to check that your path is not set. Open up the PowerShell or CMD command prompt. Here is my command line, which is I'm using PowerShell. Type in Python. After typing Python, you will see that Python is not recognized. It was said Python is not recognized as an internal command. For me, when I type in Python, they will open up a shell where I can say that, like, I can say print Tech-Rwanda. No, sorry. Say print Tech-Rwanda. Guys, if you can see very well, I said print Tech-Rwanda, but right now it's not working. Okay, let's don't get stressed up with that things. Oh my god, sorry. Yeah, let's come back here. You know, we forgot to set up the quotations. Okay, you can see that I printed Python. I printed the Python statement which state that Tech-Rwanda. Okay guys, my Python is working very well. Let me show you how you can set up your path. Right click on this PC right here. Right click on it, then properties. After opening properties, you just need to go the advanced system settings. After clicking on advanced system settings, you will see there right here down there, you'll see that environment variables. After seeing the environment variables, click on it. After clicking on it, you can see that we have a variable here called path. The variable path it will let us add any path that we want for the program we installed before so that to be recognized as an internet command. Okay, right now hit here edit. We need, as guys you can see that I do have a lot of paths. They are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, they are 7. Let's add a new one. Click on new. Let's go back where we want to get our path from. Our path will be from this computer where we installed Python. Right click, double click on that, and then go to users. It may depend on where you installed your Python. Me, I let it by default to be installed into user gray space apt data. Guys, this folder you can't see it for the first time. All you need just to do is click on view, show hidden items. Apt that just get into right this apt there it is, local, and then you can see programs. Where is it? Programs. Python is where my Python is installed. Right here, open it, open up this one, go to script. You can see that we got python.exe here. Just open scripts. Scripts, it will allow us to be using all of these commands, all of these files as a commands in our in our command line. Like if we want to use Jupyter Notebook, we can use it there. If we want to use pip, which is a very important thing, we'll be using it after. Pip will allow us to install softwares, to install those softwares or third-party softwares that we want to be using in our projects. Okay, after getting into script, just click here, then copy the path. After copying it, the path, like right click, copy, come back here on your variable, set the new one, then just paste it here if you don't have it. But for me, I have it here, Python grayspace fg data, then it's here. After pasting it here, just click OK. After clicking OK, let's just come back here. We just need to set a system variable. This was a user variable for grayspace. Grayspace, don't mind, it's my username. This is the user which is logged in. Okay, let's set the system path. System path will be a Python home. The variable name will be Python home, and then the path will be this one. Let me show you how to do that. Just need to set the new one, then you type Python home here, like Python just into capital letter. After setting it, just paste the link and then remove this one. Alrighty guys, you've set it. Just hit OK. For me, I have it. Then I'm going to cancel it. After that, when you come back to your system, you can find that your system is recognizing Python as you don't have to be continuing the command line that you have it. Just open the new one. Let's open PowerShell. Alright guys, just type Python. Okay, you see that it is working. Just let's exit on Python shell. We've exited in Python shell. Let me show you how to see your Python version. Okay, Python version, sorry. Now hit enter, then you can see we have Python version 3.7.2 installed on our computer. Congratulations guys, remember to subscribe down there, even though you're not seeing my face, but next time you'll be seeing my face right here on the screen. Remember to hit the subscribe button to be notified wherever we post a new video. We'll be notifying you if you subscribed on our channel. Alright guys, see you next time. I'll be showing you how to set up your virtual environment so that you may, guys, I don't know, you may be required to be working on different projects which may require Python versions which are different. It's all right, I can't hesitate on that. I will post a video on this channel right here, Tech-Rwanda, which shows how to set a virtual environment to a specific project and how to install using pip. Okay, see you guys next time. It was Tech-Rwanda.